Hermès and triple unboxing from Hermès. Let's do a quick Petit H Hermès triple unboxing. So these are from Petit H. I got them, technically I got them online, but even if you want to buy anything online, you should always buy it with your SA in the store so that they get the commission and it's under your profile and it counts towards your purchase history and counts towards your next bag if you're trying to get a bag. So I got these online. I got these through my SA, but they're from online from Petit H. Petit H, if you don't know, is like basically what they do is they take leftover pieces of Hermès, like leathers or cloths or scarves, like whatever they didn't use, and they combine it into make it some sort of unique, one-of-a-kind type thing. And they have a bunch of different things. They have bags, they have scarves, they have clothes, they have things, and everything is considered like one-of-a-kind, unique, because you never know what you're gonna get. You can pick a colorway, or you can pick a thing, like a hue, or you can pick whatever random, but you don't exactly know what you're gonna have. So it's kind of cool, it's kind of unique. It's a great way to be sustainable and keep, like, instead of throwing away all the leathers and stuff like that they're not using, it's nice. These are unique and one of a kind, and also they are not as pricey usually as the regular Hermès stuff. But anyway, so I got these three things. These were two pouches that I wanted to get, and I actually got these, but I got them from Hermès.com, so they were shipped to my house. They were for my part of my Christmas haul that I still have to finish unboxing. But so these were little pouches, like little sets of pouches. One's a set of silk pouches and one's a set of cotton and silk pouches. And honestly, like, I don't know. I thought I was gonna use these for like putting inside my bag. So it's like here, so they're like scarves that they've turned into a little pouch with these little buttons and little, like, probably extra buttons. And you kind of open it like that, and you have a little pouch to put in stuff, and they come, it's three different sizes, this size, and this size. I'm actually gonna return this one because I asked for the red colorway and they gave me the green colorway, obviously. But it's like three little pouches, not bad. Honestly, it's a little pricey for what it is. It's $500-600, but like Louis Vuitton has those three pouches, the origami ones that are like $700, I think, or 700 euros. So, but then I think those Louis Vuitton ones are better than these. And then I got three other ones that were a little cheaper. These are pull pouches. Also don't love this colorway though. So that one, and it kind of drawstring closes. And then this one's kind of just like, meh. I mean, this is meh, right? And then the last thing I got, which I think ended up being too small, was a Birkin cover because I couldn't get a raincoat at first. So PH had these little Birkin covers to cover your bag, and I already took it out. Cover your bag to protect it, but also to, like, if you want to walk around with it and don't want, you know, people to know what it is or whatever, you're not walking in a great area. It's like to hide it. It's like this little cover, but I think this is the wrong size because it's way too tight. I mean, it went over, but it's supposed to go all the way down. It went over, and it's like, this is, I think, a scarf, and then this, and then on the inside, it's also like this other scarf. Hold on, can't really see it. Okay, I'll take it off, but it's got a 1 here, and then a star here. I'm the number 1 star, obviously. But it's a little, I don't know. I mean, it does kind of work. It does the purpose, but I think I want to get the bigger one, so I might have to return this and exchange it. I might return all of these, but so that's what it looks like, and that's what it's like on the inside. It's like it's an old scarf that they probably knit together and then added these leather details onto it, which aren't crazy great, but I don't know. Anyway, that's my little Hermès haul. Monday Hermès haul. Okay, thanks guys. That's my little Hermès haul for today. Okay, thanks.